today we are gathered here. Today we are gathered here 15 August. 15 August marks 15th Independence Day marks the end of British rule in 1947. A pride about by the Indian Independence Act of 18th July that year, and the independence can be changeable. I am studying in 8th standard. Today is very special day for us because today is Independence Day. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. So today I am saying few words about Independence Day. Independence Day is our national festival. We celebrate Independence Day on 15 August because we got freedom from the British rule on 15 August in the year of 1947. From the capture of the British Empire, many brave sons and daughters fought their leaves and made extreme sacrifices to gain freedom for our mother India. The Declaration of the Independence states in three basic ideas. First is God made all men equal and gave them the rights of life, liberty and pursuits of happiness. Second is the main business of government is to protect to these rights. Third is if the government tries to withhold these rights, the people are free to revolt. This day we remind our great freedom fighters sacrifices. If we united, we stand, but if we divided, we fall. Thank you, Jimmy.
Teachers and all my dear friends, to myself stressed that I am studying in 8th standard. Today we are gathered here at Open Stage program. So I would like to say some few words about impact of technology for our health. Technology brings many benefits such as connectivity and convention, but overuse can harm our mental health. Positive social media interaction can be reduce depression, and with negative interaction can increase them. Some positive effects of technology for our health. Digital device or apps can improve our diets. We need to reorganize the use of polynes risk associated with the use of technology and adopt a balanced lifestyle. Thank you.
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन। मेरा नाम है संजय देवरे। मैं 8वीं कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ और टॉपिक का नाम है इम्पैक्ट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी ऑन आवर हेल्थ। आज ऐसा कोई भी क्षेत्र नहीं है जहाँ टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल नहीं हो रहा है। टेक्नोलॉजी ने स्वास्थ्य, शिक्षा, मनोरंजन, यातायात, कृषि आदि क्षेत्रों के विकास में अपनी इसकी वजह से कोई ऐसा उपकरण और साधनों का इस्तेमाल किया गया है जिससे मानव जीवन में बेहद आसान हो गया है। तो वही आज मनुष्य घर पर बैठे ही देश दुनिया के किसी भी कोने का हाल कुछ ही सेकंड्स में जान सकता है। जय भारत।
Myself Shravadalaja Lamar. I am from 8th standard. Today we are gathered here for our Open Stage program. Our Open Stage program topic is importance of English. English is very important language because in most of the countries in the world it is spoken and understand. Without the English language we can't do anything on the internet. We can share our opinion, ideas, thoughts with the use of English language in the entire world through the internet. In the sector of education, English language global language. It is used in every book. So if we don't know what is English, we can't read any book. That's why English language is very important in our day-to-day life. English language is nobody's special property. It is a property of imagination. It is a property of language itself. Thank you, Jay.
Thank you, Chara. Next, I would like to
अच्छे काम और बुरे काम अपने हेल्थ पर आते हैं। तो टेक्नोलॉजी का मतलब क्या? टेक्नोलॉजी का मतलब जिसमें जान नहीं होती है पर उसमें मशीन होती है, इसे टेक्नोलॉजी कहते हैं। और टेक्नोलॉजी का मतलब भी जैसे कि आप डेली यूज में देख सकते हैं और कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि मोबाइल है, कंप्यूटर है, लैपटॉप है, कार भी है, और अपने घर में भी टेक्नोलॉजी होती है जैसे कि फैन, लाइट ऐसे। और उस टेक्नोलॉजी से अपने को क्या मिलता है? अच्छी बातें क्या मिलते हैं उस टेक्नोलॉजी में, जैसे कि किसी को पैसे भेजना है तो जल्द से जल्द अपने अकाउंट से पैसे भेज सकते हैं, और इधर ट्रैवल करना है तो कार, इससे ट्रैफिक भी जल्दी होता है, और इसी तरह से मैसेज भेज सकते, और ऐसे ही कुछ अच्छी चीजें जैसे कि टेक्नोलॉजी से अपन कर सकते हैं। और बुरी चीज ऐसे है कि जिससे आजकल के बच्चे को फोन बहुत पसंद है, इसलिए वो उसमें वीडियो गेम खेलते हैं, और वीडियो गेम से उनके आइज बहुत वीक हो जा रही है। तो ऐसे ही और ट्रैवल करते वक्त एक्सीडेंट भी बहुत हो रहे हैं, ये इसके बुरे काम है। और थैंक यू, जय हिंद, जय भारत।
One more point about what is your topic and what you are delivering. Understand? So, related of your speech is a need to the relation between the subject. Yes or not? Speeches and topic is the same. Second point is that when you are come on a dais, that time our motto is that why we call to you. Our motto is that day by day your stage courage it will be more, and you get the nice stage courage through the whole year on the platform of the open stage program. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
I understand?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So that's a part of there. There is no compulsion, there is no punishment. There is no compulsion. But compulsion is what? We not leave it to free. Hereafter, how many students are present in open staging your class on the Saturday? That time, maximally students you participate and deliver the speech. Why? Because of that, one point is highlighted in front of you. That's the open stage performance. We will be make a 1, 2, 3 ranker. Other student you lose the rank. This is not a consider. When examiner or judge to you, that time, that's the work, it will be on evaluated or calculate to 20 marks for the whole year. That 20 marks is a result for the open stage performing. Understand? Yes. That's what is the year work. Suppose you not get the rank, no problem. You are participate now. You are delivering your speech, no problem. We will give the mark to you ना. Am I right, Shruti मैडम? आपने अभी किया है ना? Evaluation क्या है सब स्टूडेंट का? तो hereafter
बंद कर दो.
we
Yes, topic is
all my dear friends. Today we are gathered here for open stage program. Our open stage program topic is technology on our health and importance of English in day-to-day life. Thanks to giving me this great opportunity for giving speech on importance of English. It play an important role in everyday life. There is a great utility of English in modern world. So the use of English can be continued along with Hindi and other religious languages. In today's global world, English has become the language of communication, science, technology, and international relations. Its importance cannot be overstated. English plays a vital role in the bridging cultural and geographical divides. It enables people to connect background, share ideas, and collaborate. Thank you.
To the world. So next I like to the call. So I like to call Vaishnavi Jadhav to deliver a
The topic is the impact of technology and technology on almost all processes provided care. Health is started and completed by physically, social, and mentally well-being and the audience and digest. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, myself Shekhar. Today we are gathered in our open stage program. Today's topic is importance of English. English is a very important language because in most of the countries in the world it is spoken and understood. People from different parts of the world having different language as their mother tongues are able to communicate easily with knowledge to English. Thank you very much.
Giving me this wonderful opportunity to present myself in the speech of impact of technology on our health. Health is something we all care about it. The technology is the device which is impact on your negative impacts on our mental and physical health. The some of the people who spend long time in front of computer screens and the mobile phones, which is effects on our eyes, which is also known as eye strain. Technology gives access to every and any information of the world, be it past, present, or sometime future. Because of this, the limit stated of the long hours effects on our physical health. Remember this quote: technology is a good servant, but a bad master. Thank you.
In the open stage program, today's topic the impact of technology in our health. Technology has played a massive role in almost products and practice. Perform healthcare professions. Today's technology is very powerful, including healthcare industry. The massively care of healthcare industries are providing a best level of medical service to promote a whole of audio-visual technology. Thank you very much.
And I am studying in a open stage program. Today's topic is the importance of English day to a life. English is the international standard language of the communities and the expressions of the knowledge. Without English, the markings of the books and the newspaper and the printed in English, most college and the university would their the courses in English in the fact and the difficulty and the access to enter the internet without in English. Thank you, Jai Jawal.
Myself, Manasri Balaji Gotre, I am studying 8th standard. Today we are gathered for our open stage program. Today's open stage program topic is impact on technology in our health. Living with technology seems impossible. Technology has become an integral part of daily use and integral extends
And the girl extends introduction before just communication and entertainment. And here yes, technology is playing an increasingly particle. Patiently briefly, let's explore the double-edged sword of technology's impact on health. Thank you, James.
Today we are gathered here for Open Stage program. Our Open Stage program topic is importance of technology on our health. Technology brings many benefits such as connectivity and convenience, but overuse can harm our health. Positive social media interaction can reduce depression and anxiety, while negative interaction can increase them. Physically too much screen time can cause eye strain and poor living, leading to neck and back pain. Additionally, the blue light from device can disturb sleep patterns, making it harder to fall asleep and reducing daytime alertness and awareness.
Today's topic is importance of English. English plays a significant role in everyone's life in this modern world. Word of English has been utilized more and more. Sentence has been now that Hindi is our national language, but most us don't know Hindi and other language. Everyone have fluency in their native language, but a part of family members we won't speak our native language to other. The use of English has become common in all sectors, so on education, medical, media and business. Thus we take people from our remaining and other countries in the known language too. Thank you, Jai Hind.